Okay, the weather looks fine. Okay, so I promised you all I'll give you all regular videos, and I did that till 3 videos. Uske baad continuously it was raining, and I'm sure you guys wanted the AEW review, the raw footage. I have so much of content and so much of work that I can actually do that on regular basis. And yes, a lot of subscribers did DM me, and first of all I want to thank all my new subscribers who've joined and actually like my videos. So that's a very good thumbs up for me, and keep supporting me the same way. Today's vlog, let's start, but I think let me show you something. So in my previous studio setup vlog, I clearly mentioned that I have actually cleared everything in my house, right? But that's not exactly what happened. People who are following me, also following my studio setup vlogs, will understand. The third batch, yes, 2 batches I have already removed from top. The third batch is out, and you should see the mess I've created. Obviously today's video is focused on this, and finally thank you Siddhant for giving me the Allen key set last night, and now I'm gonna fix this, that's for sure. Today's video is focused on this. This is my touring mirror and the original mirrors which I have removed, and you can see the mess I have created with all the gears, all the parts. This is my original handlebar setup which I am planning with this. So basically these mirrors I'm planning to powder coat them. Actually they're aluminum, they can be powder coated, but temperature ka issue hoga, so I will paint them black. Yes, I will go to Auto Harbor Spa, give it to Vishal's guy, he'll paint it black, which I'm planning. These are CNC aluminum bar end mirrors which I have since 6 years. Yeah, literally when I bought my GT 535 I have it. I always used to put one because I had lost the other one, and fortunately I have found the other one. And yehi hota hai, if you declutter and if you actually go through your old stuff, you find a lot of new things, and that's why I'm really excited to do a lot of new mods. So I'm sure you guys must be wondering that my channel is becoming so much like DIY mods and stuff. Lockdown is continuing and situation in my area is also bad. In fact, 3 buildings in my lane have COVID patients. So anyways, I hope everyone recovers, and I hope the vaccines come in, and I hope things get better so that we can ride. And एक और चीज़ मैंने की आपको दिखाता हूँ. So you guys have seen the video of my fly screen of Royal Enfield. Boom! I have removed the metal plate, and I think this looks so cool, right? So cool, so neat. And yes, ये future mods की पूरी तैयारी हो रही है. These mirrors will become black, and they do come with bar and weights, as you can see very clearly. Bar and weights आते हैं. I can fix this, but I have some other jugaad also so that I can have the original Royal Enfield Interceptor bar end. I'll explain that quickly to you guys. I'll also try to mount these grips on it, will look super cool. And yeah, so this is the original handle, and what I am actually thinking, so these are the Royal Enfield bar ends which I really like. So what I'm planning to do now is, instead of adding the bar end mirrors here, I will try to add the bar end mirrors here, and I will shift the hole 1 inch further for all the switches and keys. Yes, my grip will become a bit narrower, but obviously there is always a leverage when handlebars are designed. So if this is a 32 inch handlebar, inch dropping by will not make a very huge difference. So what will happen is the mirror will come inside, and this bar end will be also there, which I really want. And so I'm gonna do this DIY. I hope you guys like that. That's still in pipeline, you know, somewhat. So somewhat, just to give an idea right now, this is where my handlebar grip should come. The empty space which you see here is actually where the mirrors should set up. Now the drop down and putting them upright is completely my choice. That will happen at the later stage. So I've always wanted my touring handlebar full setup ready. You know, I can just put it as soon as someone announces that I can leave the city or the state or even the country. Then I'll get the touring setup done, put my fly screen on, and I'm good to go. Regarding fly screen, I do have a setup for Himalayan visor, which is really cool. For this setup, I'll have to change the handlebar, and I will do that for my subscribers. Definitely, if you all comment down below and say that we want to see the Himalayan setup, then I will actually put the original handlebar back just to show you all. Okay, but I'm pretty happy with the current setup for city riding and, you know, weekend rides. In fact, I can even do long rides on this, not a problem with that. So well, this is the situation, and yes, this setup you'll actually see in one of my videos coming soon. I've already actually edited that video, but I have not uploaded it because the brand has told me to hold on for a while. Where this is crazy. I found my bar end lights, okay, by Eclipse. I love this brand. I don't know if they still supply. I have two of it, and I'm gonna do some DIY. So this is happening tomorrow. This video should go day after. Today's video will go tomorrow. So I hope I'll put regular content if rain stop like this. And before it starts raining again, let me go down and start the video, okay, because I have not actually started the video. One more thing, I had charged my GoPro specially for you guys to create an awesome exhaust related video, but rains. So for a change, it has stopped raining. Without baffles. My RPM is a bit high, but 1500 is what I was expecting. That's what it is. Bit of fluctuation that happens. Okay, this is what I'm installing. I've already fixed the Allen key bolt in the bar end. This is the butterfly screw. I just have to put it in like this. Keep this downwards. You don't want the screw to be seen. So this is a screw. The best part about these mirrors, you want it upward, you can have a upward view. If you want a drop down, then it will be on that side, and I can use the other one, which I'll show you all. Currently I'm a bit happy with drop down, and let's see if it actually touches the tank or not. Just demonstration, not at all. So this is how the butterfly screw actually looks like, okay, but when you're installing it, you make sure that these lines are aligned well. Okay, so the reason I've left a little gap here is very simple, is because this is the track bar by MK Design. We decreased an inch from both sides so that I could add this and add the mirror. And while cutting, there was a bit of a measurement issue, and that's why this right side of my grip is a bit coming outwards. So if I really make this completely inside, it'll jam my throttle response, right? But right now it's free flow, so it's perfect. For this, I'll use a bigger size of Allen key now and install this. That's the drop down look. Sorry, no cinematics today. Completely raw vlog. Not bad. Wow, better view than this, man. Okay, now upward direction and give you a bit of a look how neat this looks. Okay, so I prefer this actually. Yeah, complete look. You can actually see the exhaust and everything right here. I can take it up and tighten it there. I think this is a sweet spot. Perfect, you can see that. Okay, so the rain has stopped a bit, so I think I'll go for a small spin. It's gonna rain a lot though, so I won't motor vlog, but I can't miss this opportunity because I've just put the mirrors. Looks cool, right? Badass. Check it out. You know, maybe in the camera it looks too wide out, but personally it's perfect. This is where my hand would be. A lot of people who would like to know where I got this from. Okay, that's still a mystery. I had called this from Banggood long back, 4 months back. I received it now. I do not know if it's still from Banggood. That's why I'm not able to add the link. But I have a feeling it's from Banggood because I had ordered this 3 to 4 months back, and I assume it's from there. But yes, you can check out. Currently Banggood and AliExpress, all those sites are not working. Obviously we all know the situation, what's happening, but for me this works because it's lying around. Looks cool also. So with that said, I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and as usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from Rad Moto. So the view on this is fantastic. Seriously, it's really nice, as you can see. The only thing is I'm not motor vlogging because it's raining a lot, so I'm not carrying my GoPro. I hope I was audible. So the view is fantastic. Actually it narrows it down, so that really helps. You know, it's more like a blind spot mirror, you know. It's really cool.